IO, the universal currency of compute. IONET just launched their IO tokenomics and is set to become the universal compute exchange medium. The question is, are you ready for IO domination? IO is the native token of IOG network. IOG, or simply put, Internet of GPUs, is a deep-in network of independently operated, geo-distributed hardware nodes that provide permissionless access to on-demand compute. Maximum IO supply stands at 800 million, and at launch 500 million IO will be distributed. The rest of the 300 million IO will be emitted and paid to GPU suppliers and IO stakers. Reward distributed in early basis and distributed over 20 years, starting at 8% at the first year and decreasing by 1.02% per month, that is 12% per year, until reaching the cap of 800 million IO. Allocations: 50% to the community, 12.5% for early backers that are seed investors, 10.2% for early backers that invested in Series A round, 11.3% for initial core contributors, and 16% for the R&D ecosystem. Co-investing: investors are restricted for 3 years and released in 24 tranches. Employees restricted for 4 years and released in 36 tranches. Universal payment: IO used as the medium of payment in the IO ecosystem. However, suppliers and users have the options to use fiat payment methods such as USDC, but with an additional 2% fees. On the other hand, they are exempt from any charges when paying using IO. This mechanism will help create growing demand for IO as computational power is digital oil of the future. Deflationary tokenomics: IO already has a programmatic coin burn system which has revenue generated from IOG, then passed on to purchase and burn IO to reduce IO in circulation, which implies deflationary pressure. Earning IO: supplying hardware to IOG network and maintaining availability. Availability rewards are paid to suppliers for providing their GPU or CPU on the IOG network and encouraging network growth. Stakers also receive a 5% share of the supplier's reward. The rewards are calculated based on a model that ensures the suppliers recover their hardware investment within approximately 1.5 years when earning only rewards. To ensure node participation and network reliability, availability rewards can be reduced if a node's uptime falls below 100% during an early epoch. In order to earn rewards, each node must stake a minimum of 100 IO. Staking more IO per node increases the early rewards beyond the standard 1.5-year payback. Hired by user: the higher fee is earned by suppliers when their hardware is hired by users. It is calculated by multiplying each node's early hire rate by the reserved computation hours. Suppliers receive 99% of the higher fees, while 1% is shared with the stakers. Suppliers must provide the full reserved computational capacity for the entire duration, earn the entire higher fee. If they don't provide the full capacity, their higher fee will be reduced based on the amount of capacity they didn't provide. Staking IO as collateral to the nodes. To earn availability rewards, nodes must have at least 100 IO collateral. This ensures commitment from suppliers and prevents low-quality hardware from spamming the network. It takes 7 days to unstake IO collateral, which cannot be done while a node is hired. The collateral acts as an insurance fund in case of data leaks or malicious activities. In such cases, the IO collateral and any earned rewards will be reduced to compensate for the damage. The maximum stake per node depends on the hardware connection, speed, and other modifier options. Adding more collateral allows valuable nodes to earn more rewards. Conclusion: the launch of IONET's tokenomics and its role as the native token for IOG network positions IO to become the universal compute currency. Its potential for widespread adoption and integration within the IO ecosystem, coupled with its deflationary mechanism, diverse earning opportunities, and ability to serve as a medium of payment, will establish IO as the go-to currency for compute resources, making it the universal standard in the field. That's all for this video. If you like our content, hit like and subscribe. And let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks.